So the first is electric charges. So it's a scalar quantity. It's only you can say that it has a numerical value which may be positive or negative, but it does not involve any sense of direction. Next is SI unit of electric charge. This is coulomb, represented by the symbol C. Next is CGS unit of electric charge is ESU or straight coulomb. Then we have dimensional formula for charge. So charge is current into time. So the dimensional formula will be A1T1 or I1T1. Then is ratio of SI and CGS unit of charge. So it is 3.7 into 10 is to power 10. Then is charge of an isolated system. So it remains conserved. Then its quantization of electric charge implies, so it implies Q is equals to plus minus NA. Then is electronic charge, so it is 1.6 into 10 is to power minus 19 coulomb. Then is charge on electron, it is minus E, so minus of 1.6 into 10 is to power minus 19 coulomb. Then we have 1 Faraday equal to 96,500 coulomb. Then is the concept of charge on 1 mole of photon, so it's 1 Faraday which is 96500 coulomb. Next question is sign was assigned to charges by the scientist Benjamin Franklin. Then is a question that charge is independent of speed. So charge on a body is independent of speed, whereas the mass depends on the speed. Next is glass rod when rubbed with silk acquires positive charge. Next is plastic rod when rubbed with cat's fur, it acquires negative charge. Then we have a numerical based question. Two charges Q1 Q2 are given to you. Magnitude of force between is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by r square. Then force is attractive when Q1 Q2 is negative, that is charges have opposite nature, and it's repulsive when Q1 Q2 is positive, so it has got the same nature. And the force is 0 when Q1 is 0, Q2 is 0, or Q1 or Q2 both are 0. So these are the conditions for no force. Then we have a graphical analysis of force versus Q1. So as we have seen that these are directly proportional, so the graph is gonna be a straight line. Similarly, force versus Q2 graph is also gonna be a straight line. Then we have a graphical variation of force with distance. So force is proportional to 1 by r square, so it has a shape like rectangular hyperbola like this. Now this 23rd graph is very interesting. We have to draw the graph between force and 1 by r. So what I do is that I take 1 by r as x. So I can say that force will be proportional to x square. So the graph is gonna be a parabola in this case, turning toward the f-axis. If we draw the graph between f and 1 by r square, again using the same analogy, I take 1 by r square as x, so force will be proportional to x. So graph will be a straight line as shown in the figure. So you have seen that we have solved a number of questions in a very short video, and we have included all the basic concepts, all the terms, and all the permutations and combinations based on the topic. So these videos are entitled so that you can have a more robust, a more object oriented, and a more you can say that preparation related to optimized result. So these videos are just an optimization tool for you, in which you can cross check your preparation and align your thought process along with the problem solving skill pattern, along with the pattern of the exams. So these worksheets are designed on the basis of my long experience for training students for JEE and NEET, and the experience started when I was myself preparing for JEE. So it's all the consensus of what I have learned. You can search my name Acharya Vishvendra on Google, YouTube, Twitter, your Instagram, Pinterest. I have done phenomenal